All right. And welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I had to jump into this thing early because we are breaking out right now. We are breaking out right this very minute, my friends. Bitcoin is going to new all-time highs again and again and again and again and again. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. If you're joining us on YouTube, smash the like button on your way in because we are getting a big and beautiful breakout. Bitcoin has officially put in a new high this morning, this afternoon, this evening for some of you guys in the world at $93,600. And we are waiting to see how high this thing can go. Are we going to see a 100K Bitcoin live on stream? Well, guys, I don't know, but we're about to find out. We're about to find out. I'm also working on getting music set up on the channel. Just got some music services where I can do that. And so that is coming very soon. I'm excited to kind of have some tunes going in the background. In the meantime, I've got these quasi tunes from this app that I use to do our streams. Guys, welcome back. I hope everybody's doing spectacular today. Bean says, beautiful day for a Bitcoin breakout. I couldn't agree more, my friend. I absolutely could not agree more. It is a beautiful day for a Bitcoin breakout. And the previous high that we put in was back on November 13th. We are now at the 19th. It's been 6 days, a long, agonizing 6 days since Bitcoin has put in a new high. But today, we did it once again. So, what is going on? First off, Bitcoin dominance. Still very strong, guys. There still could be some more time left on Bitcoin dominance going up, it seems. We've been watching this very closely, guys. As long as Bitcoin dominance keeps going up, we are still waiting on the altcoin rally to occur. Some altcoins are starting to break out versus Bitcoin, like Doge. Like Doge is breaking out in a very big way versus Bitcoin right now. Shout out to Servando Estrada in the chat. Shout out to Hotel in the chat. There's a hotel in the chat. Marty in the chat. Pepe, Crypto Runner, Tony Mountain, Skywalker. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you're doing all right today. Today's kind of just a Bitcoin stream because as we're taking new highs, does anything else really matter? Here's the biggest story of the day. This total market cap, guys. These are the monthly candles, okay? These are the monthly candles. Now, we can get this monthly candle to close green here. Guys, that is a brand new high for BTC. What happened in the last bull market when we had a monthly candle close above the previous high? If you look here, here you go. You had your first monthly candle close. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4 green months of massive moves to the upside in a row. Bitcoin then shot up another 300%. That's a 4x. In a very, very big blast-off-like move in the last bull market, and just had an insane move. Now, something I was talking about yesterday is we could get a move like that here. And we could all of a sudden see $1 or $2 trillion put into the crypto market, which could flow into altcoins and Bitcoin alike, which I think we all could be very excited about right now. Right now, we got 43 folks watching on X, 39 folks watching on YouTube. Do me a favor and smash like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, my friends. We are watching Bitcoin, and it is breaking out right now. Guys, here we go. We're making new highs. $93,800 for Bitcoin. Can we hit 100K today? That is the beautiful big question over these next 24 hours, over this next hour as we are live. Let's put out a question. Let's put out a question in the chat here. Let's do a little poll on YouTube. And are we seeing 100K today? I want to know. What do you guys think? Yes or no? Yes or no? Hold on. I'll be right back. Boom, boom, boom. Russian mob. We got the Russian mob, the mob of Russia in the chat. Welcome, Russian mob. Asking, are you playing Main City on crypto.com? I have not been playing Main City on crypto.com. I've been doing YouTube videos. I've been tracking the crypto charts. I've been being a dad. I don't really have time for any video games right now. I do like some video games sometimes, but no, when I was talking about Main City, I was just kind of hyped for all the people out there that do like gaming, and I thought it'd be good for the future of crypto.com. And they still got a lot of new programs they're still coming out with, and we're going to keep talking about crypto.com. We're bullish on it. Crypto Keeper is legitimately concerned with the Ukraine-Russia conflict right now. Look, I mean, I'm concerned about it too. I think it's very sad. I think it's not good, but it's not relevant to the crypto market, in my opinion. Unless something really, really crazy happens, which I don't know if we're really going to see that. You know, the worst case scenario. Intercontinental ballistics, you know what I mean? We don't want to see any of that. Mr. Chor says, I will be having my surgery on the 27th of November. My wish is to have Bitcoin over 100K by then and marry over 100 million market cap. I would love to see that as well. World War. Nah, I don't know. I don't think we're going to have that. WW3, I don't know. I'm not having it. I think we're going to figure out some solutions with the new leadership in the US. I think we're going to figure out some solutions. Bitcoin's headed higher. We are literally right now going to new prices that we've never seen for Bitcoin in the history of the asset. Today is historic. Thanks for joining me, guys. We got 107 folks watching. More hopping in by the minute, by the second. Everybody's wondering what's going on with Bitcoin today. It's going up. It is going up big league. Let me tell you, it's going up. I got to tell you. Okay, so while Bitcoin's skyrocketing, I do want to share with you guys some just kind of, we'll take a peek at these markets, and please keep me posted if you see some heavy price action happening. Let me know. We're going to keep an eye on some of this stuff. I can see price of Bitcoin up there. Right now, we are literally in absolute price discovery mode. And hold on, I got to shut my door. My wife is taking care of my baby downstairs, and my baby is crying right now. And it's live stream time. My wife's on the job. Mrs. Crypto Kip, big shout out to you. A legend and a hero and a great mom. So Mrs. Crypto Kip's my wife, by the way, for those of you guys that don't know. Today, Bitcoin is exploding. And what else is moving up today? Bonk's getting a very good move today, up 15% right now, above a $4 billion market cap. I'm not really surprised about this, guys. I want you to remember that Bonk is a very strong meme, guys. This was a meme coin that really revitalized the Solana community out of the bear market. And then we got Dog we've had, and now we have Peanut the Squirrel, and we've had many others, but no surprise to see Bonk here. Bonk could easily go to 10 billion. It might even go to 20 billion because Solana is so hot and Ethereum is so not. We've got the Akash network up today. Dogecoin is now back above 41 cents. Dogecoin is starting to rally again today. Guys, as this total market cap continues to break out, okay, here's the biggest story on the day. Is our total market cap for crypto being at new all-time highs is a huge deal. This is a huge deal right now. This total market cap is absolutely ripping. See this green line right here? This green line, guys, right here is the previous high for the total market cap of crypto. And right now, we are having a rally above this on the 4-hourly time frame. We broke above it, bounced off of it, and now we're moving higher. We're in price discovery mode, guys. We are in price discovery mode for the total market cap. Meanwhile, is this actually the real price of Ethereum right now? No, it is not. I got to get the real price of Ethereum up for you guys. Give me 1 second. Ethereum is still at $3,100. Ethereum has been such a disappointment to those of us holding some Ethereum out there. But I will tell you this. Now that this total market cap is blasting off, if Ethereum is going to have a big run like many, myself included, expect it will, all of a sudden, boom, you get a big candle like this. All of a sudden, Ethereum went from 2,300 up 34% in like 7 days. It was crazy. And blasted up. That can happen again, guys. Ethereum can get back to an all-time high in a matter of weeks. It really can. It absolutely can. That is just asking Ethereum to not even 2x. And we see moves like that all the time in crypto. We see moves like that all the time in crypto. Like, for example, like Solana's almost at its highs. Solana is right now only 6% away from its previous highs right now. How epic is that? How epic is that right now for Solana? Solana right now, up 14% over the last 7 days, up 1% today. Ethereum's actually down today. Ethereum is down on a day where the total market cap, that is crazy. That is crazy. Ethereum holders right now are probably just so frustrated, but at some point, Ethereum will come back and it will redeem itself. Is it going to have more gains than Solana? No, I don't think that it will. Can Solana flip Ethereum? It actually very well could. Yes, Solana could easily flip Ethereum in this bull market with the pace that it's going right now. In my personal opinion, that is something that I believe. How's it going, Jason Davis in the chat? We got Legacy Legend, we got Club Crow, we got Coin Baron. Coin Baron says Ethereum always comes to tsunami. Yes, and it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. It's got to go. It's got to go soon. Miles Logan says it'll happen. It'll rip when nobody expects it. Yes, you could be correct. You could be correct. We're just waiting on that beautiful, beautiful moment for Ethereum. Its time should be now, as Bitcoin is actually still making higher highs. Let's go down to the 5-minute. This is fun. When we're in true breakout mode, when there's nothing ahead, we just got to go to 5-minute candles and see it in real time. Can we do 5-minute candles and keep 100K in the scope? We can, but it's not going to be as fun to watch the candles grow. So if you're a crazy person and if you're a bold person, you could trade these time frames, right? You could just simply, take a line, right? And you could kind of see. There are some maniacs that are trading these areas right now. Believe it or not. You can kind of see there's an area in there, right? It kind of bounces off the top of that line. Right now it's above it. Right now it's bouncing off the top of it. Potentially going to get another bounce off this 93.6 area. If it breaks back down below that, it could easily come back down to 93 again, test 93. If it breaks down below that, we could easily come back into this 90-something range. I wouldn't be surprised, but here we go. I think we are getting this bounce. I think we're going higher. I don't know if we're hitting 100K today, guys, but I think we are hitting 100K soon. I'm very, very bullish on Bitcoin right now. Very, very bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance still making new highs is unbelievable, my friends. We got a gifted membership in the chat from West Texas Crypto. How you doing, West Texas? Shout out to you for gifting a membership over to Nelson Silva. We have West Texas. We had a record-breaking stream the other day where somebody gifted 70 Crypto Report memberships. That is a lofty goal. But we did hit 70 gifted Crypto Report memberships the other day. That was wild. And I'm just surprised like everybody in this chat right now is not a member of the Crypto Report. That was a lot of gifted memberships. That was nuts. Batman in the chat says, bought some ETH a while back, leaving them there for years. God willing is an investment. Yeah, well, the ETFs are out. I'm bullish on Ethereum in the long run, but right now it is slow and painful. It is slow and painful because, you know, Doge is ripping. Doge is absolutely ripping. Doge is now only 74% away from its previous all-time highs. Getting closer. Stacks is still so far off its previous highs, guys. I'm still so bullish on Stacks, but it is just taking forever to get there. 100% away from its previous highs that we hit back in March. Now that the total market cap is blasting off, guys, I'm very, very bullish, increasingly bullish on altcoins. Crypto Keeper says, you know, someone that trades like that. But yeah, you can get wrecked. You can absolutely get wrecked. You can just get instant liquidated and lose your whole position, lose all your winnings for the day if you're trading in little tight ranges like that, right? But there are some people that do it successfully. There was a guy in our chat there for a while that was doing it, and he was pretty successful. If you guys want to trade, you can sign up for Blowfin using our link. It's in the comment section. Check it out if you haven't done so already. Legacy says 100K BTC after the inauguration. I say, do you see this momentum? This is crazy. I say, how far is Bitcoin from 100K? Bitcoin's only 6% away from 100K. Bitcoin's only 6% away from 100K, guys. 6%. 6%. How quickly can this happen? Bitcoin's up already 3.26% today. This can happen fast. This can happen fast. Miles Logan believes that Stacks is going to take off after Bitcoin hits 100K. Maybe. Could be. Let's look at the liquidation heat map here and just see what happened, or liquidations. Again, the liquidations are shrinking, and it's good because once these liquidations shrink, that means the liquidations are getting wiped out. That means that Bitcoin can start to rally again. Okay, that's good. That's what we want to see. Right now, let's actually look what we have for Bitcoin percentage returns here. Bitcoin right now is up 31% in November. Oh my gosh. Can we beat the average? Can we beat the average? We might be able to beat the average, guys. We might be able to beat the average. That would be incredible. This could be the super cycle, guys. Crypto J says some meme coins have been bleeding. A lot of meme coins have been bleeding. A lot of meme coins have been bleeding. They were pumping, but then a lot of them are bleeding. Right now, we got the big cap meme coins that are still pumping, like Doge. Shiba Inu is still due. I've been saying it for a while. Shiba Inu is due for a pump. Absolutely due for a pump. Bitcoin's coming back down a little bit right now. Shiba Inu is really not had a lot of life. It hit 403 the other day, but man, it is just struggling to get any higher than that right now. And it will, I think. I think it will. Sweetcoin's been doing great. We talked about Sweet on this channel below $1. We were talking about it at $2. You could have already made 3 or 4x on Sweet since we talked about it. Crypto Keeper says Doge usually goes, then Sweet, then Sheeb follows. You are correct, except for Sheeb actually outpumped Dogecoin back in March. Just check the charts. Just check the charts. Club Grow says 4 years of Bitcoin going up with Mr. T as the president. Could be, but probably not. I think we're going to have another bear market regardless. By the way, there's 94 folks watching on YouTube. There are 27 likes. We got 209 folks watching in total right now. Well, if you haven't tapped the like button, go ahead and give it a little tap. You know what I'm saying? And just tap the like button. Bonifacio Contreras is loving his punky position. doing the honky punk. Yeah, Ponky's been going up. What are the big gainers in the day here again? Let's keep an eye on these. So Peanut the Squirrel's getting a nice boost up again, up 9% today, up almost 10% today. Dogecoin's explosive today. The graph getting a nice move, rank 51. The graph does get big pumps in a bull market. This one's maybe a good one for trading at times when total market cap blasts off. There's a couple coins out there that explode out of nowhere, like Telcoin. I know that's a random one. That one pumps for some reason at random times. We've seen Litecoin pump. Now it's a meme coin. I think that's pretty funny. I hate Litecoin, but actually I kind of like it now that it's a meme. What else? Filecoin. Filecoin likes to pump in a bull market. Typically, that's what we've seen in the past, at least. Brett has still not get listed on Coinbase, but it probably will. A lot of people think Popcat's going to get listed on Coinbase as well. Man, Shiba Inu is due for a pop. I know a lot of people have been asking me about VeChain. What's going on with VeChain? Well, VeChain's up 25% over the last 7 days. VeChain got all the way down to like a penny in the bottom of the bear market. It's already up over 3x. So that's pretty cool. Bitcoin's still moving. Oh. Big sneeze there. Big sneeze. If you guys want to trade this, look at it. It's still moving. Woo! Oh, yeah. If you want to trade this, you can sign up for Blowfin using our link. Bitcoin's breaking out. Can we go to 100K? Let's go back to the real charts here. Real charts here. Real charts. Are we going to get 94 here? Yeah, we're going to get 94. This is awesome, guys. This is history. I mean, it's just amazing right now. But seriously, I think that our total market cap right now could easily just have $1 trillion flow into this thing fast. Like here's our breakout point in the last bull market. And like these are weekly candles. And so in 2 weeks, guys, $500 million flew into the crypto market, okay? In 2 weeks, $445 billion. In a month, it's about the same. It took about 3 months. It took about 3 months, but from a percentage gains perspective, and with these ETFs in there, I don't know. I think it can happen a lot faster. I'm not going to be surprised to see $1 trillion fly into this thing fast, because if we're really going to 7 or 10 trillion, money's going to start flowing, guys. Money's going to start flowing like crazy. Okay, what else is going on in the chat? Tell us about Jasmy and the upside. He wants to hear about Jasmy out there. I want to hear about Jasmy right now. The upside's pretty big for Jasmy, guys, to be honest with you. Dogecoin. Look at Dogecoin breaking out versus Bitcoin right now. Something I was kind of looking at is you can kind of see like a trend line here, right? Doge versus Bitcoin. All of a sudden, when it breaks through, boom, it explodes off. It bounces off the top of the range. See this? You see this? Peak, breakthrough, bounce off the top of the range, explosion. So what I've been looking at for Doge here for Bitcoin, peak, breakthrough, maybe bounce off the top of the range, or maybe just explosion, right? This all makes sense with the total market cap blasting off. But anyway, let's look at Jasmy for the guy, real quick, for the fella. For the fella in the chat. As the total market cap is now breaking out, I expect Jasmy to rip here any moment. Any moment. You got to see Jasmy go past 4.5 cents, and then you should be instantly looking at, 30 cents, which is the previous all-time high, 35 cents. I think a lot of these altcoins can go back to their previous highs. I think Jasmy, no reason why Jasmy shouldn't be able to, I think. Legacy Legends says, how long do you think this bull run's going to last? Does anybody out there know how long I think this bull run's going to last? I've been talking about that quite a bit. Anybody out there? Answers. If you have the right answer, I'll throw it on the screen. I can take your question, throw it on the screen. Who knows the answer to this question? Who knows what I believe when it comes to how long this bull run is going to ask? We're doing trivia out there. Crypto Keeper says quant is finally moving. Absolutely. It is only a matter of time, guys, as this total market cap rips and roars through. And guys, this is a decisive breakout. This is a very decisive breakout. Our monthly candle close back in November 2021 was much lower than this. The body of this candle is already 14% higher than the previous monthly candle, highest monthly candle close. This is epic, guys. Exchange Motor says 200 days. Kaka says July 2025. Chris says peak September. Ding, ding, ding. September. 200 to 300 days. Crypto JX. You got it. That's the real range I've been saying. I got you. So you're on the screen, Crypto J. 200 to 300 days is what I've been saying. And that's been for the last like 30 days. And so it's in between that. It's somewhere in there. But yeah, peak September, I've been saying. Exchange Motors, you got it too. About 200 days. Do you guys know why? Why? Because historically speaking, from the lows to the highs, for Bitcoin, a bull market lasts about 1,050, 1,075 days. Let's look for the total market cap. What do we got there? Yeah, it's about the same. It's about 1,060 days from the bottom to the top in a bull market. So it's just very simple. I expect it to be just like that again. Here's the lows. Boom. Where are the highs? The highs would be maybe 1,050 days in. That takes us to... That's 1,035 days, actually. And that takes us to, and I'll just go ahead and unshow my banner here. Down at the bottom of the screen, you see right here, September 2025. That's 1,035 days from the lows to wherever the highs might be. Whether it's 7 trillion or 9 trillion or 20 trillion, I don't know. I think it's going to be between 6 and 10 trillion. It's been kind of my prediction. 7 to 10, 5 to 10 trillion, somewhere in there. It could go to 20. I mean, if the United States government's really going to do a national strategic reserve. Chris, you were late, bro. Where were you at? When stop lagging and catch up to BTC? What? Your altcoins? Soon. Total market cap is blasting off. Please remember, guys, this total market cap, okay? This total market cap is the key to all your answers. If you're not holding Bitcoin, you're holding altcoins, you're wondering, when are my altcoins going to catch up? Well, I want you to remember that Bitcoin is 60% of all the money that's invested in the crypto market is in Bitcoin, okay? Which means the other 40% is going to pump when the total market cap pumps. And so if all of a sudden, let's say the total market cap goes up by $1 trillion from 3 trillion to 4 trillion. That means that $400 billion, 40% of $1 trillion, that means that $400 billion has to go somewhere. Where is it going to go? Is it going to go into Solana? Yes. Is it going into Dogecoin? Yes. Is it going into Jasmine? Probably. Is it going into Stacks? I think so. Is it going into Crow? I think so. Is it going into Ethereum? I think so. Yes. It's going into some of these top plays out there. If the total market cap is exploding, which it is, then your altcoins are about to explode, or they've already begun to explode. It is literally going higher right now. This is the total market cap right now. Here's Bitcoin getting closer to 94K. We saw it get close. Can we see it break above? We might. We got 263 you guys watching. Welcome to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip, guys. We're just exploring the charts, answering any questions that anybody has out there today. It's funny. My daughter, I've got a two-month-old daughter, and she slept for 8.5 hours straight last night. Well, kind of. I mean, she did some, stirring in the night or whatever. But she, we didn't have to get her out of her little bassinet or whatever. I'm still so tired. I'm still catching up on sleep from being a dad. Let me tell you. Even on a day like today, where I should have all the energy in the world, I'm so tired. But this has been a long bull market. We've been waiting for these moments for a long time. And we're now waiting on our altcoins to boom. We're really waiting on our altcoins to boom right now. And you're getting it right now if you're holding Jasmine, if you're holding Solana. Solana is absolutely explosive. Look at this. From the 8th of November Solana is already up a whopping 39%. 39%. Ethereum is due, guys. Ethereum is due. It's just not happened yet. But when Ethereum catches up, boy, does it catch up. Eric says, my guess is 95K today. Could be, could be. Tyler's been up since 1:30 a.m. because of his 3-year-old daughter. It's 1 p.m. where I'm at right now on lunch. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness, Tyler. My guy. Why? What? She's not sleeping well at 3? That's tough. I don't even know what that's about yet. I've just got one at 2 months, and that's all I know. That's all I know. I got a 2-month-old, and she is great, and she is exhausting. We got 271 folks watching. These live streams are getting bigger and bigger because people are getting more and more excited. If you're new to cryptocurrency, say something in the comments. Welcome to the Crypto Report. I hope you're making money. If you guys are new, we have been talking about crypto for the last 3 years, over 4,200 videos. That is over 2 months of my life put into video form, along with my partner on this channel, Maxi. Daryl Young says, oh, how did I miss the beginning of the stream? I don't know. I think it's because it's a Bitcoin-only stream, and YouTube doesn't like to promote my Bitcoin-only streams. I don't know why. I guess we got a lot of competition in the Bitcoin space. Of course we do. Of course we do. When we do Bitcoin videos, they typically get less views. I don't know why. It's the most important asset, and we have 30,000 subscribers now almost. So we should, we should see these views going crazy for Bitcoin videos, you'd think, but they don't. That's, we get more views on Pepe and Doge and Jasmine and Caspa and Crow and the altcoins because less people, more people want to talk about Bitcoin. Punch the like, Daryl says. Punch the like. Exchange Motor says, at what point would you sell some Crow? I think Crow's going to $1, so I don't know. On the way up, 60, 70, 80 cent, 90 cent, $1, $1.10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 cent. I think it could go $2 to $5. So you're selling it on the way up. You're taking a little bit of profit. I do still have a loaded line for the giveaway. I owe this community a loaded line. I'm trying to figure out how to transfer it. It's a real pain in the butt, to be honest with you guys. So actually, soon I'm going to be doing that giveaway. I promised you guys many times that I'd be giving this away. I've still got it. I owe it to the community. Somebody out there is going to get a free loaded line from us soon. I actually tried to auction it to myself for $1 the other day, and that didn't work. And so I've got to log in on my computer to the crypto.com NFT platform, transfer the loaded line. But I actually sold my loaded line, my personal loaded line. I sold it. And then I made a 10x on some BRC20 tokens a while ago. So that was no regrets there. NFTs. Are NFTs dead? They might be dead. NFTs could be dead. Let's see what else is going on. Yeah, again, if you guys want to trade, on a day like today for yourself, you could sign up for Blowfin. Check it out if you haven't done so already. By the way, Jay Clayton, the former SEC chair before Gary Gensler, was just put in charge to serve as the U.S. attorney for the Southern District of New York, as a part of the new president's nominations. This could be favorable for the crypto markets because, you know what, he could be good. We'll see. The markets are liking this today. The S&P 500 is going up right now. We've talked a lot about, let's see how Coinbase stock's doing. I've talked a lot about Coinbase stock on this channel and how I was bullish on it. And it is going up. It is going up in a big way. Getting very close to its highs. And man, I'm very bullish on this. I got a lot of coin stock in my Roth IRA. So I'm bullish on that. Junio Costa in the chat says Brett, Turbo Punky, and Peanut best meme coins this alt season 30x easy. He says, I think that Brett could do, I think all those coins could 10x. 30x's are hard for a $1 billion meme coin. How many hundreds of billions of dollars are going into meme coins? I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. But probably a couple hundred billion. Considering that Doge got to 80 billion last time and Sheeb got to 40 billion, we saw probably in the peak of the last bull market, we saw probably about $250 billion invested in meme coins out of the $3 trillion market cap. That's pretty good. And that's an estimate. What do we got going on here? Yeah, Peanut the Squirrel, no doubt that is a strong play, I think, for the future. Peanut the Squirrel is one of the biggest memes on Solana right now. I can't believe that Bonk's not up here for some reason. Why wouldn't Bonk be up here? If you're not using Deck Screener, it's a great place to check out some of the memes. Let's check it out. What is Ponky doing right now? Ponky, 422 million. 10x would be 4 billion. Ponky could 10x. 30x is aggressive. Russian Mob says, Kip, what's your day job? I work with you as a part of the Russian Mob. No, I sell insurance, actually. What else do we want to look at? Let's see Turbo. Turbo's at 607. Can Turbo go to 6 billion? Can it 10x? It could. It could. What else are you talking about? Eric says Doge on Mars will probably do 100x. Will it? Let's see. Oh, weird. I can't find Doge on Mars here. Let's see. $116. Now this one's probably got a ton of upside. It's at 116 million. Its previous market cap got to 1.25 billion. That's an easy 10x. This one could be a 20 or 30xer. It's ticker Elon. In the decade of Elon. In the bull market, the biggest bull market in history. I might have to get some Doge on Mars. I might have to get some Doge on Mars potentially. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. We're just we're speculating on crypto every single day with you guys here in the community. Just loving this bull market, loving the possibilities to make all this money that we can make in these crypto markets. Okay, Bitcoin got very close to 94K, but we are getting a significant retracement on the hourly candle here. Easily this thing could come. I want you guys to be aware, easily this thing could come back down. Somewhere around here, 91, 92. Easily that could happen. Couple more liquidations for the people thinking it's going to 100K right now. But man, look at all these 4-hourly candles closing green. It could easily keep blasting off too, by the way. I made a big mistake in a Solana meme coin. It killed my degen side, says Wes, WCBG. That happens sometimes. You do have to be careful with the memes, my friends. Crypto J wants to see FWOG. You like that FWOG? By the way, I did tweet out a fun fact about myself yesterday. Did anybody see that? Yeah, FWOG. It's been going up. I'm pretty sure this is the chart for FWOG. It's already at $500 million. That's wild. That's wild. I don't know. I mean, isn't this just kind of like a copycat of Pepe, and it's not quite Pepe? Roosevelt McKenzie with a $2 super chat. Appreciate you. Thoughts on Marycoin? Yeah, I could check out Mary real quick. Let's check it out. I got a lot of thoughts on Mary. I'm sure you know that. I hold some Mary myself. I am bullish on it. Some people hate it. Some people love it. Controversy, controversy, controversy. There should be an exchange listing coming soon. We've been saying that for a long time. I have evidence to believe that that is true. I don't think that it's going to continue selling off. Hopefully. I think that now with total market cap blasting off, with an exchange listing coming, with crypto.com putting out tweets like this. Hold up. Let's look at this real quick. I want to show you guys this. I want to show you guys these. This. The Cronos team put out this tweet. Scan through social media trends and identify key cultural shifts. Use those insights to launch a $1 billion meme coin concept complete with token economics and marketing. They got Crow with Knife logo. They got Mary Mystery Token logo. They got Corgi AI logo, which is already a coin listed on crypto.com and already hit $1 billion market cap. And they got Push.Fun, which has the push the button token. Mary is in here. I think that Mary is getting listed. I think that they're going to push this thing up. Crypto.com is. That's what I believe. So it's just a matter of time. So we'll keep an eye on this. I'm definitely keeping an eye on it. I've got a lot of Mary myself. Full disclosure. Jason Davis says, I think Elon can reach a $40 billion market cap. Maybe. You never know. Those are all guesses. We all guessing about our memes, guys. We're all guessing about our memes. We're all guessing about our memes. I'll tell you, the biggest potential meme I think that's in this entire market is probably Peanut the Squirrel. Because if you look at my Twitter and you check it out and you look at my pinned tweet, this tweet going to 163K views is crazy. Tie Elon Musk in with America and tie it in with a squirrel that was euthanized by the US government and meme coins. Game over. Peanut's going to 10 billion. Peanut could easily, I think, do what Dogecoin did. I think that. Easily is not maybe the way to say it, but I think it's possible. Okay. Oh, look, Crypto Report's live. Wow, 165 views right now. Yeah, there are 165 of you guys watching on X. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you're watching here, all you got to do is go tap that like, give it an old retweet. We got one retweet. We got one retweet, guys. We got to get more retweets. Give it another retweet. All right, let's go back to the Bitcoin chart. Let's see what we got going on. Okay, we're coming back up a little. That's cool. Skywalker, I did not get a chance to check that one out. Oh! But I have a chance right now. Is this it? That doesn't look great. That's troubling. 1.1K. that's a coin that's not important enough. Yeah, you never know. I mean, look, I'm bullish on the Elon ticker alone. You know, we could talk about burn mechanisms, and we could talk about games, and we could talk about quality of a project, and we could talk about, but in reality, Peanut the Squirrel went to $2 billion in 14 days. Why? Because people wanted to make some money, and they love that cute little squirrel, and it was killed by the U.S. government. And so send it to 10 billion, we say. You know, technicals, fundamentals, they matter, except for the fact that they kind of don't. ME5 wants to look at Matic. Yesterday, someone put $700,000 in Elon. Oh my goodness, that's ridiculous. You want to look at Matic? We can look at Matic. Oh, Matic. Let's see what we got. Here's Matic. It used to be X-Matic. I don't know what happened with this and why they did a change. The upgrade from Matic to Polygon has been initiated on Ethereum's mainnet for more operation. Yeah. I think you're talking about this one. It used to be Matic, but now it's Pol. We're just waiting on the pump. It's probably going to get another pump, guys. It's a top project. It's in the top 50, you know. As the total market cap continues to break out, my friends, then, you know, your altcoins explode. Here we go. We're taking another chance at 94K. That is unbelievable. This time it was the shorts that got wrecked. We like that. Crypto Runner, I'm going to talk about some of these Crow card upgrades soon. I'm going to do an extensive video on the crypto.com Visa cards, okay? Soon. Eric saying, oh, I'm going to make it 3 to 5x. I'm throwing it all on Elon and I'm set for life. 94K, guys. We hit it. Could be. You can do it with memes. You could also lose it very fast. Please be careful. 94K. Let's see how high we can go. Let's go. 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 97, 80, 90, 100. 100K Bitcoin. Did you see that? It didn't happen, but we're going to get there. 94. We could get there today. We could get there right now. These are the 5-minute candles, guys. These are the 5-minute candles. Keep that in mind. Look at all the chop. It could happen. It really could. You never know. Azula Easy says, enter a long on Blowfin. I'll go to 25 cents. Quick. Pull up my Blowfin. Bye. Do your own research, guys. But hey, I see what you're seeing. Azula. If you guys do actually want to trade on Blowfin, do your research, guys. You can sign up. Check out our link. It's in the comment section of this video. I'll pin it in all the videos on my X account. If you're watching on X, You can sign up for blow. You free money. It's up to $5,000 in deposit bonuses when you sign up using our link. It is in the comments of every one of our videos. It is in the chat right now, pinned on YouTube. Check it out. Hey, Kip, I don't know a thing about this coin, but did you see Act 1? The AI prophecy might have been a whale, but big gain last week. The reason Marlin PB Cheetah that went up is because it was listed on Binance. And before it was listed on Binance, they tweeted about it. They said, we're going to list it. And then all of a sudden, it exploded. And it went up like 200x in like an hour or something crazy. The power of X. Crazy. Everybody's been talking about Maneke this week. Everybody's been talking about this other one, that small guy's cat. What's that small guy's cat? Somebody let me know in the chat. That one, a lot of Barsic or something. Everybody's freaking out about that. I don't know. I don't know about that one. Like, why that one? That one, Peanut the squirrel makes sense to me. That famous tiny guy's cat is like, I don't know. Toshi makes more sense to me. Or Leo, right? The Stacks devs cat, or those things make more sense, but Hezbollah's cat. There you go, Juha. Got it. Got it. Thank you, Barsic. Why are we bullish on Barsic? Why are people bullish on Barsic right now? I'm still trying to figure that out. Mr. Miggles? What's that? What's Mr. Miggles? It's a weird name. Wow, another cat. There are so many memes. It's crazy how many memes are exploding. The official cat Coinbase mascot? But what about Toshi? I thought that was Toshi. Everything's trying to be the official mascot for every chain. That's crazy. Hey, can't argue with profits. If you're making money, you're making money. What? Oh, okay. Misread a comment there. Jason Davis says, I can't get in Peanut now. It's way too far up, right? Part of me feels that way. Part of me feels the exact opposite, Jason. I'll tell you what, I'm probably still thinking about buying some Peanut, believe it or not. I probably should have bought it the other day when it was at 1.5 billion. Because now Peanut the squirrel is back up to 1.7 or 1.8 billion right now, isn't it? There it is. It's back to 1.8. It's up 17% today. I was looking at it 1.5 yesterday. Nuts, guys. Absolutely peanuts, actually. You like that? Do you like that? Do you like that? Why is everybody? Where did this Hezbollah's cat meme? Why do people care about Hezbollah's cat? What? I don't understand it. Peanut the squirrel, we understand that concept. Bonk was one of the first ones. Dog with hat. I mean, it's a dog with a hat. Hezbollah's cat's just Hezbollah's cat. I don't understand. I don't understand it. Do you know what I'm saying? I try to kind of find a reason for the thing. Dog go to the moon token, the first dog meme on Bitcoin's L1 side. Welsh, generational Welsh. That's funny. It's the first dog meme ever created on Stacks for the L2 side of Bitcoin. That makes sense to me. Mary, it's the #1 trending token on Dex Screener for Cronos. It's got an exchange listing coming. That makes sense. Brett, it's the biggest meme on Coinbase. That makes sense to me. You know, Elon, Dogelon. That makes sense to me. Elon Musk, Doge going to the moon, Mars. You know, all these things. He's got the spaceships. Sure. Ticker Elon. We got a lot of people calling 95 in the chat. Let's see. Let's see what we got going on. Can we get to 95? We might. We might get to 95. We could get to 95. Man, I'm still waiting on a Stacks run, let me tell you. Here's the thing, though. All of a sudden, out of nowhere in the past, the Stacks coin... one daily candle. Kablamo. 89%. That was crazy. That can happen again. That can happen again. Stacks is kind of moving like Ethereum, where it's heavily manipulated and then boom, the Kraken is released and it explodes. It's only a matter of time, I think, for Stacks here. Still waiting on that epic run. Solana, getting real close. Bitcoin booming. Mark Gonzalez says 100K today. I would love to see it. I'd love to see it, Mark. Right now, we do have a pullout. It's 50-50. Are we seeing 100K today? 50-50, says the chat. Benny says, thoughts on Filecoin. Filecoin pumps at some point in these bull markets, and it pumps huge. It all of a sudden, boom, it'll be up 100% out of nowhere. But it's a tough one. It's a tough one. It's a tough one. I don't know if it's a long-term hold. It's definitely got some good pumpability at times. It's just hard to say exactly when it's going to pump. Eric says, give us 96K. We could see 100. That'd be great. I hear you, Jason. I hear you. Jason's scared to buy peanut because it's up so high. Well, you know, isn't Solana high? Isn't Bonk already high? Isn't Pepe already high? Isn't Doge already high? And, you know, here I am sitting here believing that Dogecoin can go to $2 and it's got a lot of upside, you know? So it's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy, 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 crazy. Not a lot of thoughts on DGen, Chris. I think it's a weak coin. I don't know. I just think it's a weak idea for a coin. Doesn't really get me going. Richard says, same with Jasmine. It could 100x. It might. It might. Market cap wise, it's tough, but I think it's going to go to 30 cents again. I think it could 10x. I think it could 20x. Might even 50x. 100x is tough for a big cap meme. Or not even a meme. I want to feel dirty already. What do you mean? What do they say? What do you mean in the chat? Un fulano, whatever your name is. Eric is so bullish on Elon. TJ Antaya says Doge to the moon with SpaceX. Didn't they do a partnership or something? Or Doge actually would get, like, they're literally going to put a Dogecoin on the moon, apparently. Or maybe they did already. I think Litecoin's doing a good job of becoming a meme. That's good. Unfulano says, I see, only cat meme I see hitting 100x is Mog. Well, from current price levels, that's going to be pretty brutal because isn't Mog already like a Billy? I don't know if we're going to see Mog at this point do 100x. From where it originally was, maybe. But Mog is already it's at $1 billion. You're saying it's going to go to 100 billion? That's higher than the previous market cap high of Doge? Mog would do that? A cat? Do people really like cats? Are you guys really cat people out there? I'm allergic. What's my thoughts on Solana AI? Wait, is that this one? I think it's all right. We did a promo on that the other day. I did a sponsored video about that the other day. Look, Solana and AI, you put it together, it could pump. So definitely wouldn't be my big strategy, that's for sure. But it could be a component to my portfolio. They have pills for cat allergies. I could also just not get a cat. Yes, Dog Go to the Moon token was listed on OKX. That is correct. Dog Go to the Moon token is blasting off. It's up 25% today. It's in the top 200. You're going to see this in the top 100, I think. You know, it's actually stealing my Welsh's thunder. And I've got some Dog Go to the Moon token. I got about $8 grand in it right now. It's doing fine. It's doing great. I got a big airdrop on it. And Miltron Marion is asking, should I buy Bitcoin now? Mitron, did you just get into crypto, Mitron? Marion, did you just get into crypto? I gotta know where you're coming from before I answer that question. You're asking, should I buy Bitcoin now? Believe it or not, guys, there are folks out there that are getting into this market for the very first time right now, and there's the proof in the pudding. I'll put it on the screen. Should I buy Bitcoin now? Well, it depends what your goal is, but I do want to hear from you before I answer that question. Should I buy Bitcoin now? Yeah, right now the most bullish altcoin, the altcoin that I'm most bullish on, okay, is a coin that hasn't moved at all lately. It's Stacks. I just believe in this L2 Bitcoin narrative, but I think it's going to be a catcher-upper. You know, Ethereum's not popping right now either. Okay, then, Mitron, I'm sorry. If you saw, I was surprised. But yeah, so we have a good example here. We have somebody new. Give them a welcome. Welcome to Crypto, Mitron. Welcome to the Crypto Report. Thanks for watching our channel. The question is, should I buy Bitcoin now? He says yes, or he or she says yes, I just got into it. Well, welcome to the crypto community. I want to give you a little bit of reference here, okay? So Bitcoin is currently trading at the highest price that it's ever been. And this chart goes all the way back, you know, to 2011. It started in 2009. Bitcoin did. Okay. So it's literally blasting off. Now, the good news is the total market cap only just started breaking out. Now, what the heck is the total market cap? All the money that's invested in cryptocurrency. That's the total market cap. Fun fact for you, Mitron. 60% of all the money that's invested in the crypto market is invested in Bitcoin. This is a chart that I have pulled up. This means 60% of all the money that's invested in the entire crypto space is invested in Bitcoin. This is rallying right now, which means Bitcoin is showing a lot of strength. And because Bitcoin is rallying and it's 60% of all the money that's invested in crypto, the total market cap has officially broken out. Now, should you buy Bitcoin right now? Well, I will tell you that in the last bull market, which started in the bottom of the bear market in 2018 and went to the peak of the bull market in 2021, that lasted for about 1,000 days. From this low to this high was about 1,000 days of bull market. And if you go back to the previous lows and then you check out the highs, it is the same thing, 1,000 days per bull market. So from the lows of this last bear market to where we're at right now, it's been about 731 days. And so I believe we're going to go about 1,000 days into this thing. If you go 1,035 days out, that takes us to September of 2025. And so I believe that this bull market for Bitcoin, for cryptocurrency, could potentially go all the way to September. And so if you're interested in buying Bitcoin right now, I think there's still some time left to make some money. But why are you buying Bitcoin? Because you want to turn $1,000 into $100,000? You will not do that with Bitcoin in this bull market. That will not happen. But you can turn your $1,000 into potentially $3,000 or $4,000. I do believe that maybe. Maybe you could turn it into $2,000. Okay? If that's your goal, sure, you could buy some Bitcoin right now. But maybe that's not your goal. Maybe you're doing what I think is the smarter thing. And maybe you're like doing this. Maybe you're one of those people, Metron, that's like, I've ignored Bitcoin up to this point. I'm going to start learning about it. So I'm watching the crypto report and, you know, I'm here to help if I can. And maybe you're realizing, okay, this is here to stay. I know that the countries are buying it. I see the ETF, so I got to learn about it. I can't keep ignoring it. And maybe you're the kind of guy that's like, or girl that's like, I'm going to buy $50 of Bitcoin a week or $50 of Bitcoin a month. Or that's a whole different strategy. But what I want to make you aware of is Bitcoin's currently sitting at $93,000. One day, Bitcoin's going to be worth $1 million. So the answer is if you want to own some Bitcoin when Bitcoin is $1 million and you'd rather buy it lower, well, yes, buying Bitcoin right now could be a good thing. Only problem I have with wanting to buy Bitcoin right now is that it's literally at its all-time high. So you could buy it right now and it could come back down to 40K and you could lose 50% just like that. But you only lose it if you sell it. The thing is if you're buying Bitcoin, that's a long-term strategy. The only way you're doing Bitcoin for a short-term strategy is if you're leverage trading it. Or if you're taking a fat stack of money and trying to make a quick fat stack because you see a key breakout for Bitcoin or something. That's kind of a trade though. But anyway, to answer the question, you know, I think Bitcoin is maybe going to go to about $120,000 to maybe $300,000 in this bull market, which means there's still about a 2 to 5x left for Bitcoin. Less than a 5x, about a 2 to 4x left for Bitcoin in this bull market. Maybe less than a 2x, potentially. But I think that Bitcoin is going to be here to stay. I think one day Bitcoin is going to be bigger than gold. If Bitcoin was to actually flip gold one day, then Bitcoin would be worth about $1 million per. So he wants to hold for Metron wants to hold for the long term. Look, I think that that's not a bad strategy. But if you make a ton of money, Metron, and Bitcoin goes, you know, we're not, you know, if we get out to like August or September or something, you made some good money, it's cool to take some profit and leave half in or leave your initial in and take your profit out. And then, because what I believe, Metron, is that even though I believe in a super cycle and I believe nations are going to FOMO into Bitcoin, I also believe that we're going to have bear markets again. And then there's going to be huge crashes, right? So 83% crash for Bitcoin from the high in the last, you know, 2 bull markets ago, 77% crash. So the crashes are getting less significant, but I still think that there will be more crashes in the future. So anyway, should you buy Bitcoin? That's quite the answer I'm giving you there. But, you know, yeah, I think everybody should own some Bitcoin. If you don't own Bitcoin, I think everybody should own some Bitcoin. And then, yes, you should watch some Michael Saylor videos because, again, I think Bitcoin's going to be worth there's going to be a point in time where your net to own 0.1 Bitcoin is going to be extremely rare. Right now, it's already rare for somebody to own a Bitcoin. I mean, it's $93 per Bitcoin or $93,000 per Bitcoin. That's hard to own one Bitcoin. Well, one day it's going to be worth $1 million. Then to own 10% of Bitcoin, you need $100,000 in Bitcoin. You only own 10% of a Bitcoin at that point. So yeah, I'm bullish. I mean, I think Bitcoin keeps going up over time. I think one day Bitcoin goes to $1 million. I hope that was helpful to you, Mitron. I mean, that's really the best answer I could probably give you. I gave you the time frames. I gave you kind of the mindset. I gave you kind of where I think Bitcoin's going to go. it's just a shame that you're coming to the party a little bit late, right? Because we've already seen, we were doing videos, Mitron, just so you know, from here all the way through this. We started our YouTube channel right about there, April of 2022, on this red candle. This is when we started our YouTube channel. If you bought on the lows, you would already be up 6.5x on Bitcoin. From $15,000, it came all the way up to 93K. So, I can't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I hope that was helpful. Thank you for the question, and welcome to the Crypto Report. Have you subscribed, Mitron? I got a lot of good content ready for you, brother. Or madam, I don't know if you're a guy or girl. TJ says, mined a bunch of ETH years ago, hoping for it to follow the bit trend. Team hold ETH till it pops. Can I have your 2 cents? Yeah, ETH's going to pop, TJ, at some point, I think. Look, ETH ain't as good as Solana. It's faster. Solana's easier to use. It's more sexy. People like it. The user interface is good. But I think Ethereum's still going to pop. It's got an ETF. Johnny says, I really lost between Doge and XRP. Both are great. What is likely to move now along with BTC? I'm more bullish on Doge than I am XRP. Yeah, you got it, TJ. And Benny asks, what is your starting point to DCA out of Doge? To DCA out of Doge? With Doge, probably starting at the previous high or right below it. 70 cents, you'd start taking out some profit. And then you'd shuffle, definitely get some good profit before $1. And then just keep taking out 5 or 10%, probably on the way up to $2. I think it's going to $2. Every 10 cents it goes up, take out 5 or 10%, something like that, maybe 2%, 1%, whatever it is. And then at some point, you got to choose when you're going to completely be out. If you want to completely be out. With a coin like Doge, I'd completely exit and anticipate another bear market. And maybe you exit into Bitcoin. That's another idea, Matron. You know, some people buy altcoins, coins that are not Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, and then they take profit into Bitcoin. Satoshi says, buddies and I meeting for dinner tonight, and the one who has the most BTC is buying dinner. Is that you, Sushi? You the money bags? I hope you are. You've been around long enough, brother. I'm sure you're doing well. Much love to you, my friend. Eric buys BTC for his kids. I think that's beautiful. Johnny's still lost between... yeah. I mean, look, Doge or XRP, what goes higher? Doge. I don't know. I just think Doge goes higher. Yes. I've never really loved XRP. I've never really loved it. My cousin loves it. He hates, so I don't love it. But it is a banker's coin. I don't like banks. I think that we need to move away from banks to decentralization. I think XRP is tied to the banking idea, and I just don't like that. But now that the XRP case is kind of coming to a close, Gary Gensler's getting fired. That is pretty bullish for XRP. But now Dogecoin has Elon Musk. Oh, which one? I don't know. Dogecoin. Johnny says, I'm such a great fan, man. Thank you for your answer. Big fan. Appreciate you. No, you're a great fan. You are a great fan. and also a big fan. I appreciate that, but a great fan indeed. A bold, straight answer. Yeah, dude, XRP could go to $10, maybe, but tough to say, man. Tough to say. I'm more bullish on Doge. I could be wrong. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. You got to pick your own battles. Well, you got to pick your own battles. I'm like sneaky bullish on Cardano. I think Cardano has been suppressed long enough. Charles Hoskinson, I think he's going to make his way into the conversation more and more. I just don't love that he's like a Cardano maxi. He said Cardano's going to flip Bitcoin. I don't like that, but I think Cardano's going to do well. Guys, can I just say this really quick? This chat is getting better and better and better. And because of all of you guys, the content's getting better. And it's hard to come up with things to talk about every day. There's always new things happening in crypto. But I got to tell you guys, to all you guys asking questions, I love it. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. That is the most favorite part of what I do on the Crypto Report, is answering questions from the community. No question is a dumb question. Sometimes I react poorly to questions. One time, Black Sea had a friend of his reach out to ask a question about Pepe coin on this channel, and I kind of gave a rude answer because I thought sometimes I can be a little snappy. Like, how do you not know this? I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. All love. No question is a dumb question. I genuinely mean it. Okay, so keep the questions coming, guys. Keep the questions coming. When's Black Sea gonna shave his dome? I don't know. Soon, hopefully. He's got to. Well, he doesn't have to shave it. He just said he'd cut his hair. But we did tease about shaving his head live on stream. That would be fun. Thoughts on ADA? Yeah, I mean, ADA is gonna go up. I think ADA is gonna go up. Bitcoin's approaching 94K again. Let's see what we got. Black Sea looks like your brother. My brother from another mother. Jose wants to know, when is Dogecoin going to $2? When Doge $2? Maybe never. Maybe tomorrow. Definitely not tomorrow. I think it can. I believe the bull market's going to end before October of 2025. So before then, our waiting is done. Now we get to sit back and enjoy the gains for those of us that DCA'd into the market. But there's still a component of patience that we need to wait for. I can take a look at ladies, Jason. Is this miladies? Is this ladies? I don't know what it is. I can take a look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Okay. Miladies meme coin. I never understood this one. I never understood it. It never understood it. It's associated with an NFT. Can I be honest? I never really liked it. I'm never going to like it. I think it's weird. I don't understand it. I don't know why it got big in the first place. That being said, I think it's going to have another pump because that's how crypto works. They pump. That's how crypto works. Things just explode. Let's look at the website. What do they got going on? They're on a lot of exchanges. Airdrop, so it had a big airdrop. I'm sorry. I know I have a look of disgust on my face. It's just weird. I hope you guys make billions of dollars with it. Let me tell you. I just don't get it. And what I don't get, I can't get behind. You know what I'm saying? Top Dog, $2 super chat legend. How you doing? Hoppy's getting a Gate.io listing tomorrow. Like, and like Hoppy, like, what is there to get with Hoppy? I don't know. At least it's kind of like Pepe, and it's like a meaner looking Pepe. I don't know. It's a frog, and frogs are hot. Milady's is random. I don't know. Getting a listing tomorrow. How's it doing today? Up 23% today. Listing tomorrow. Look at that. I hope you go to the moon. I hope you go to the moon. Jose says, I think this bull market will be over earlier than expected. It could be. It could be. I wouldn't be surprised if it was some mega blow off top. Hey, we got Mary coin coming back up a little bit. Let's get another green candle, Mary. I got a lot of this one. Why do I have this one? It's on Cronos. Cronos is a dead chain. No, it's not. It's coming back to life. I'm bullish on Cronos. I think it's going to keep going. We'll see. By the way, if you haven't done so already, give me a follow on X. You can find me at CryptoKip Tweets. You can find my partner on this channel at 333 Black C as well. 333. That's him. 333 Black C. You can see it right there. See you, TJ. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the questions. What do I think about Bitcoin Cash? Bitcoin Cash goes up Irish styles in the bull markets, but I don't like it. It's a fork of Bitcoin. It's completely useless. It's essentially a meme coin. At least Litecoin's calling themselves a meme coin these days. Bitcoin Cash always pumps. Bitcoin Silver always pumps. And Litecoin always pumps. But Litecoin's probably going to outpump Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Silver because at least they're calling themselves something that they actually are, which is a meme. Completely useless. I mean, you can transact with it, but relatively useless. I have used the base chain, Chef X3. I like it. I don't know anything about that dog coin, though. Yeah, Marlon PB Cheetah's got a point. You know, people see the name Bitcoin. They're like, it's lower price than Bitcoin. And so I'm going to buy it. And that's what people do. They're like, it's like Bitcoin, but it's lower in price. And Bitcoin's at 98K. And Bitcoin Cash is only a couple $100 or whatever it is. I don't know what the price is. And it's going to go to Bitcoin. It's not going to go to Bitcoin's price. Don't hold it till it goes to Bitcoin's price. It's never going to go to Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin Cash is basically a meme. Bitcoin Gold is basically a meme. Bitcoin Silver is basically a meme. Treat them as such. Catch a 2X. Take some profit, catch a 50% gain, take some profit, and go into something real. Or go to something that's going to make you more money, like Doge on Mars. Or I don't know. I'm not telling you to buy Doge on Mars. I don't ever tell you guys to buy anything. Okay, you got to make your own choices, folks. I've been looking at Dogecoin. Dogecoin's exploding. It's going to go, I mean, it's only like 70% away from its highs. It's going to take that soon. Odin likes Crow with Knife. You know, I like Crow with Knife, okay, guys? I like Crow with Knife. I do. I like the meme. I love the start of it. I don't like the leadership of Crow with Knife. But regardless of that, I could put that aside. And I could say Crow with Knife is going to go to the moon if Mary goes to the moon. If the Cronos ecosystem succeeds, Crow with Knife and Mary are going to be very successful. I agree, Odin. I just wish that the leadership would stop being so ridiculous for that coin. Anyway, I'm bullish on it. I don't own any. I don't know if I'm going to buy anymore. But I am bullish on it. It's on crypto.com. They want to support their memes. It was a huge catalyst for the Cronos meme coin mania. But anyway. $10 billion market cap for what, Eric? Mr. Right, you couldn't be more Mr. Wrong. I have never gotten paid by a Cronos project ever. Any content I've ever done in the history of our channel, we have put a tag saying it's a paid promotion. Any tweet that we've ever done, you know, we'll let you guys know if it's sponsored content. So Mr. Right is actually Mr. Wrong. Hangman says, can we get a crow price prediction? And it's funny too, because like, you know, no, I'm gonna move on. Yeah, Marlon, you get it. I know you get it, brother. Can we get a crow price prediction 2025? $2 to $5. They got a great roadmap. They're gonna launch banking services, credit cards, improved programs for more rewards to loyal customers. They might even launch a stock. They might launch an ETF. It could be huge. Eric, how's my sleep? It's better. My daughter slept 8.5 hours last night, which was incredible. But I'm still really tired. So I'm still kind of catching up on some sleep. What a journey. Yeah, it's crazy that I had a kid and all-time highs breaking out at the same time. Like, that is a recipe for no sleep at all. But I've been getting my sleep. I've been getting enough sleep. What are your thoughts on using a DEX like GM? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. I would rather you have, Daryl, I'd rather see you using something like Blowfin, which, by the way, I got an affiliate link. You know, I'm biased. I got an affiliate link with them, but I'd rather you see you use a more, you know, upcoming exchange, or bigger exchange, or like a bigger DeFi protocol, at least that I've heard of. I haven't heard of that, so. Funny, I'll tell you. All right, guys, all the love in the world to each and every single one of you guys. I got a jet. Hopefully we get 100K Bitcoin soon. Let's see it happen. I'm bullish. Let's do it. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Until next time, I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Do me a favor, smash a like, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL. Do your own research, guys. Nothing's financial advice here. It's just not how we do it. But next time, we'll talk about some more crypto. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.